Now, the third question. Let's read and complete the text using the words in the box. We have which words in the box here? We have in, on, surprised, final, and disability. In, on, surprised, final, and disability. Let's read together. Today, I watched a Paralympic sport event. These are sports for people with A. There was the of the wheelchair tennis, and an Egyptian girl won. She was so fast. The next day, I was very, because I saw the tennis player. The wheelchair. I was with some friends in a cafe and she was at the next table. Do you remember that story of the girl who won and she was on a wheelchair? So, let's check the answers here. So, these are sports for people with A, in, on, surprised, final, or disability. We say with A, disability. There was the of the wheelchair tennis. So let's cross the word we used. We used disability. Okay, there was the of the wheelchair tennis and an Egyptian girl won. So if you're at the last stage of a championship or a game, what do we call it? That last stage? Final. So there was the final of the wheelchair tennis and an Egyptian girl won. She was so fast. The next day I was very, because I saw the tennis player. So I was very what? Well, I was very in, on, or surprised. So definitely surprised. I was very surprised because I saw the tennis player. The wheelchair. So are you in a wheelchair or on a wheelchair? You're in the wheelchair. Okay, now for the fourth question. Read the following text, then answer the questions. We're going to read this together, then answer some questions together. Ready? Let's start. Artificial intelligence, or AI for short, is a type of technology that helps computer systems to do tasks that usually only humans can do, such as making decisions or solving problems. If you use streaming platforms to watch movies or TV shows, you are using AI. The streaming platform uses algorithms to learn what types of movies or TV shows you'd like to watch. If you enter data by choosing movies, the algorithms learn what you like from that data. The platform then uses what it learned to personalize your homepage on the platform with suggestions for similar movies and TV shows. If you watch a lot of science fiction movies, the streaming platform shows you suggestions for other science fiction movies to watch. This is called machine learning because it's a process where technology learns things and then uses what it learns to help people. The same thing happens with online shopping. If you shop online, AI, which is artificial intelligence, learns and remembers what you like to buy. Then you see advertisements for similar clothes when you go online or use social media. Now, let's answer the following questions. Choose the correct answer from A, B, C, or D. AI stands artificial intelligence. On, to, for, or in. If I want to say the meaning of something, we say stands for. If you watch a lot of science fiction movies, the streaming platform shows you for other movies to watch. Shows you views, suggestions, highlights, comments. If I want to give you options, we say I do what? I suggest something, right? So it shows you suggestions. Now, what is the main idea of the text? Let's think together. What was the text about? What did we learn from that text? What is the whole thing behind that text? It's the importance and use of AI. So, the main idea of the text is the importance and use of AI.
تقدر تتابع كل دروسك على تطبيق مدرستنا بلس. مدرستنا، المستقبل يبدأ الآن.